Turn my music, ha, 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 yeah.
Welcome back, family. All right, guys, we're back here again at A&J's Kitchen and with another special good recipe. This is carne with papas, which is steak and fries with a little avocado twist to it. This is the ingredients we're gonna have. We need cilantro, sliced cut up tomatoes, avocados, lime, garlic, some cheddar cheese, brown sugar, soy sauce, pepper, kosher salt, butter, cumin, cayenne pepper with a little bit of Tony Chocha twist to it, flour, all-purpose, oil. I chose olive oil, but you could just choose regular oil. French fries, I cut them myself. I don't like frozen fries, but you could do frozen fries if you like, but this is mine. Diced white onions, and of course the steak. I prefer flank steak, but we didn't have flank steak. My butcher ran out of flank steak, so we just chose flat steak, which is similar to it, with the grains. And of course, the Inca Cola, in case you get thirsty while you're cooking. You know, you always gotta have Inca Cola in the fridge. But anyways, there's the ingredients. Let's get started. Welcome back, family. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna start first off. We're marinating the sauce, which the steak's gonna be seasoning. We're gonna start off with the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can do it in a blender. Depends on, whatever. So let's start with the garlic. Just chops about 4 or 5 garlics, depending. Chop up some garlic. We're gonna put the rest of the ingredients. Get about a head of cilantro. Oil. Remember, it's about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil, depending. About two teaspoons of brown sugar. Cumin. Teaspoon again. Kosher salt. Kosher salt is up to you. You can put about 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of, and also pepper. Same thing with pepper. And of course, half a lime. I'm sure you're getting that. He's getting the juice, that's all you're getting. And also the soy sauce, which is the last ingredient. We're gonna close it up. And we're gonna go. Now blend all the ingredients together. I'm gonna add a little bit more of we're gonna pour the whole sauce on the steak now. One second. Get your hands all dirty in there. So let's get a little sauce. Everything in there. It smells delicious. So what you want to do is just get it all over the steak. It's gonna sit there for marinating for a little bit. Get it both sides. of course, make sure your hands are clean. Wash your hands at all times. Welcome back, family. So we're back again, and we're gonna cut this steak in half because, as you can see, it's a real big steak. So I'm gonna give a nice slice to it, and then we'll put it back in the marination. Get the oil sauce back in there again. I'm gonna blend it in there. Just get the part that I just cut. So I sliced it in 2 pieces because the fact that it's too big. So it's not gonna fit in my grill that I have on top of my stove. So you see that in there. The seasoning is delicious. I tasted it. Okay, so make sure. All right, so it's gonna be there. And we're gonna get back. We're gonna start with the fries. We'll be back. Welcome back, family. So we're gonna deep fry the fries now. You can also do them in the oven if you like. I prefer to deep fry them. They taste better. Got a better crunchiness to them. So we're gonna grab some fries. Just be careful. Don't let it get burned.
Yeah. Turn my music yeah. Bring it back.
Welcome back, family. So we're here doing the avocado now. We basically just smashed it down. So you want to leave it a little bit because you want it chunky. You don't just want it just plain simple. So we're gonna add some onions. And this is the white onions. Tomato. Salt. Pepper. Cilantro, and 1 lime juice, just the juice. Make sure you don't get nothing in there. If the lime is too small, make sure you get another one. I'm putting 2 in there. Okay, and what you want to do now is we're going to mix it all up. So we're ready, and set it aside to the fridge, and we'll get back to the steak. Welcome back, family. So now we're gonna do this. Put the steak on the grill. If you don't have a grill, this one's a cast iron grill, which is one of the good ones. If you don't have that, you could just grill in your, basically anywhere. You could grill outside your barbecue, or you could just have one of those metal ones that sell at Walmart. This one's a cast iron. I prefer a cast iron. So I'm gonna put the first steak here. I don't like to overcook this meat because it's real tender. So I'm just gonna leave it there for a few. I will cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes each side, depending on how you like it. It's cast iron, so it really heats up. Welcome back, family. So steaks are done. Cooked them for about 3-4 minutes each side. I'm gonna put them here back in to absorb the juice. Let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. Let them absorb the juice, and they'll be cooking in the meantime while they're there. So we're just gonna let them sit there for about 15-20 minutes. Welcome back, family. So now we're gonna do the cheese. We're gonna melt some cheese to make a little bit of cheese sauce. So in the pan, what you wanna do is get butter and just let it melt. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flours. What you wanna do is just mix it in there. And you're gonna pour some milk. And what I'm gonna do is put about half a cup. And you wanna do is let it simmer until it gets thicker. So just keep stirring it until it's gonna thick. You wanna pour a little bit of salt. You do 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I put cayenne pepper with a little bit of Tony Chocha. If nobody knows what Tony Chocha is, I'll show you guys at the end. It's a seasoning. It's a Creole seasoning. So you see it's starting to get thick. You just let it simmer down. Keep stirring until it simmers. What you want to do now is bring in the cheddar cheese. Don't pour everything at once, let it melt little by little. Family, so the steaks are ready. They cooled down for about 15-20 minutes, and we're gonna cut them now. I'm gonna show you how to cut them. So remember, the grains are going this way. So what you wanna do is, it's a thick piece, so we're not gonna cut it like this. So what I do is cut it in half first. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is, the grains is this way. So what you wanna do is, so that way the meat falls off and it's more tender. See how I cut that? Look at that. That looks so good. Look at the juices. Look at the juices. Wish you guys were here. You can smell it. See the juice how it comes off? Once I'm cutting it, you can see the juice right there. This is nice. And the flavor is gonna be ridiculous. And the meat's actually, while you let it rest for about 15-20 minutes, it's actually cooking still in the pan while it sits there. Because what it does is, from the heat, still cooking. So that's why they one well done, kind of well done, and the other one medium rare. Because I like mine's kind of bloody. All right, so we're gonna put it back in the dish so I could throw more of the sauce. 1 second. And we'll do the same thing to this one. So again, the grain is this way. So what you wanna do is Welcome back, family. So we're back. We're done cutting up the steak. Everything is ready. The fries, guacamole, everything is done. Here I picked a cast iron, which is, I don't know, most people don't have a cast iron, but this is a good cast iron. You can heat it up if you want to. We're gonna throw all the fries in here first. You can season the fries however you want to. I season them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne with the Tony Chocha seasoning, which I love. Put the fries right there. Stay right there. I'll put the cheese. Melted cheese, cheddar cheese. Top of that, we're gonna throw the steak. How good that looks. Look at that. It's a lot of beef. Get everything in there. There, I'm gonna throw the guacamole. Now, I like a lot of guacamole, so that looks. For the finishing touch. Bam. And there you got it, fellas. Carne con papas, steak and potatoes. My way, you could do it any way you want to. Get a good look. I hope you enjoy it. It tastes a little bitter. You know, I got a little bite into it. Perfect tasting. Make sure you grab it with the guacamole. You can serve it as entries, everything. I hope you try it at home. Come back again next time, which I will have another recipe. But I hope you enjoy watching this. Like I said, look how good this looks. It's amazing. Until next time, peace.
Turn my music, ha, 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 yeah.